So I have to confess something. When I first started my business, it wasn't all butterflies and bunnies and rainbows and unicorns. In fact, it was the complete opposite of that. When I started my business, I was still operating from a lack and scarcity mindset. And after 6 months, I had minimized my life into a 300 square foot studio apartment in a ghetto part of downtown Denver. And I remember I came home and I had to have been one of the most frustrated life coaches you would ever meet because my business wasn't working, I wasn't paying my bills, and I was damn near bankruptcy and homelessness. And so I came home frustrated as heck, right? And I dropped my bag on my little chair that was in my living space at the time. And then I look up and I see something in my curtains, and I open it up and I see a huge patch of bed bugs, and I just about puked. And I was so disgusted and I was so down on myself. And out of all the places that I could have fell, I fell onto my bed and I started crying. And I asked the universe, I said, what the F am I missing? And this huge insight came through of radical appreciation. And so what happened after, the events that happened after that changed everything in my business because, as I mentioned in the video above, I hired a coach. She taught me all the marketing strategies required, and my business went from averaging $3,000 a month to averaging anywhere from $8,000 to $27,000 over the years ahead. And I say that not to impress you, but to really invite you to take a look at your marketing strategies. If your marketing strategies aren't getting you the results that you desire, it's time to change it up. Because again, you could be like the most powerful change agent with the greatest tools ever, but if you're not effectively, and what's the word I'm wanting to use here? If you're not effectively and strategically getting you and your work and your business out there in a fantastic way, from a marketing standpoint, nobody's going to know about you. You know, I remember working with this woman who came and worked with me for about 9 months, and after the first 3 months, we shifted her branding, we shifted her target audience, we shifted her messaging, and after that, I think within 6 months after we made those changes, she ended up having an $8,000 month. Powerful change agent, but she was barely making ends meet, like having 2 kids to raise on her own, barely making ends meet, having to pull from savings because she wasn't making ends meet. But we shifted her branding, shifted her marketing and her message and who her target audience was, and after that she started killing it. Another gentleman that I worked with, massage therapist, he was in one of my masterminds. We shifted his marketing and shifted his branding, and he ended up becoming a business coach as a result of the work that we did together, and now he's absolutely killing it working with people all over the world. So he goes from this local massage therapist to this sort of international business mentor. I remember working with this one woman who works with digestive health, and so we shifted her branding and shifted her marketing, shifted her messaging, and she's now creating a ton of online programs. She's creating like live stream cooking classes for her clients. She's doing talks and workshops all over the place. And so the thing with marketing is that it's easy, and we have to effectively do certain things that allow us to be seen and be heard by our potential clients. And that's the key, is how do we communicate with our potential clients in a way that pulls them into us versus that push marketing? What's the strategies that we need to put in place to have clients being pulled into your universe? And that's what the last half of the last day is all about. We're going to lighten it up, and we're going to dive into marketing strategies, and I'm going to share with you everything that I did to help me get to the point where I had to say no to clients because I was too full. So this session is really going to be about how do you fill your calendar with paying clients? Because if you were like me in those first 6 months, it's not fun, it's not comfortable, and I would have much rather skipped that step in my business. But I went through it, and I learned a ton from it. And as a result of it, I learned the marketing strategies that were required in order for me to never have to face that kind of experience again. So whether you're just getting started in your coaching business as a therapist, as a counselor, as any kind of change agent, maybe you're a body worker or a healer, if you're just getting started, or you're a seasoned veteran and you know that maybe it's time to up-level your skills, it's time to up-level your processes and tools, and you're ready to step into a greater change agent and helping more people in the world, then I really want to invite you to jump in and register for this training, because I know it's changed my life. I know it's helped change tons of other people's lives that I've worked with, and I continue to see their growth and expansion, and I want to be able to work with you in that way as well. It's going to be a very intimate setting. There's going to be 20 change agents. and we're going to be working together in that intimate setting where you're going to be learning so the training will be set up in a way that you see it visually, where I teach it visually, and then you'll be able to take that visual understanding and that cognitive understanding and see it in an actual demonstration where I bring somebody up on the class, and then you're going to be able to practice it with each other so you leave with it in your muscle. Because I could talk about NLP all day long, but unless we get it in your muscle, there's a good chance you're not going to go into your practice and use it. And that's what I want more than anything, is for you to take these tools, and when you go back into your practice after we finish the training, you have a whole new set of brilliant, magical tools that you can use with your clients to help to create the change that they're asking for. And like the side benefit of all of this is like you're going to experience the change inside of the class because you're going to be working with each other with these processes. So if you're ready for some massive breakthroughs yourself, this class is going to house that for you. So my invitation to you is register. If you feel the pull, if you just know that these processes can help up-level your business and take your clients to a whole new level of change and freedom for themselves, then sign up, get registered. And again, if you're still not sure for some odd reason, click the link, fill out the questionnaire. Let's get on the horn for 15 or 20 minutes and see if this is the right match for you. And that's it, my friend. So hopefully these videos have given you some insight as to what this training is going to be about, what you're going to get out of it, how you're going to be able to help your clients when you're done with it, and how it can change the way you practice with your clients forever. So take good care, my friend, and I really hope to see you there. Scroll down below and click register now, and I look forward to seeing you there. See ya.